Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel Excel Remix. So in this video we will discuss how to calculate age in Excel. So let's begin. To calculate age, we will use int and dated if function. So let's begin. Select a blank cell where you want to display your age and type this formula equals to int today minus date of birth divide by 365, bracket close and press enter button. Now drag the fill handle down. Now we will use dated if function. Select an empty cell to display the age. Input this formula equals to dated if date of birth, comma now, comma y. So here y calculates the complete years from the date of birth and today. You can substitute y with MD, MD, YM or YD to calculate different aspects of date difference. So these are two simple functions to calculate the date of birth. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with friends. Thank you.